Without meaning to, we find ourselves wasting energy. We leave our appliances on when not in use. We keep our shower running for a long time, and several other habits. Learning and adopting new energy-saving habits is important. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Today, I'll be discussing energy-saving habits to develop. When we develop energy-saving habits, we will be conscious of the amount of energy we consume daily. Our climate is changing, and it's doing so rapidly. To reduce this, we need to learn habits to save energy, and here are a few you should learn. Use a lid over your kettle and pot. Let's start with basic energy consumption activities, like cooking. When we place our food on fire, we may forget to cover the pot with its lid. This causes the food to cook for a long time. So, the next time you're cooking, use a lid over your pot and watch that meal get ready quickly with less energy. Watch that dripping tap. If you have a bad tap, call a plumber to fix it. We waste a lot of water when we leave our taps running unattended. It is best to adopt a habit of closing taps securely. Use energy-saving lamps. Anyone using incandescent light bulbs is consuming large amounts of electricity, and this may be the reason for their high bills. This type of light bulb gets hot quickly and causes heat. Replace those traditional incandescent light bulbs with an energy-saving bulb. You will see how your energy consumption will reduce drastically. Close your curtain and blinds at night. This locks in warmth during adverse weather conditions, but once it's daytime, open the windows and blinds to allow in the fresh air. This particular habit will help you regulate the use of your heating and cooling systems. Paint the house with materials that reflect light. When next you choose to repaint your home, use semi-gloss paint or satin paint on your walls. This type of paint reflects light, making it easier for you to brighten your space with low wattage bulbs. Use energy-efficient appliances. Appliances with energy-certified labels tend to consume half of the energy that conventional appliances consume. It is more economical and best to replace your old appliances with energy-efficient appliances. Unplug your appliances when not in use. When plugged into a socket when not in use, the appliance still uses a little amount of energy. It's best to unplug it when not in use to save energy and preserve the lifespan of the appliance. When we automate our home, we make it easy to switch off any light or socket remotely when we forget to. It keeps you in control, even when you're not around. Habits are learned and hard to break. This is why learning good habits is important. Energy-saving habits will help us and the planet in so many ways. Let's start developing these habits. Do you have any suggestions? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time! Choosing an eco-green lifestyle may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually very simple to apply. Starting with our everyday life events, to procreation, to technology, we can find sustainable alternatives. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Today, I'll be giving out tips on how to live eco-green for beginners. Ready? Let's dive in. In everything we do, energy is needed. For instance, the energy of water in dams transforms into electricity distributed to homes and industries. When a bulb is on at home, this electrical energy quickly changes to heat radiated from the bulb. Turn off any appliance not in use and cut down on the consumption of energy. This will help reduce your carbon footprint. Next, practice family planning. I know this doesn't sound eco-green, but keep in mind that if the population keeps increasing, more activities and harmful practices will keep happening. Just so you know, overpopulation can lead to the spread of diseases, intense competition, and even death in the case of famine or drought. Another tip on working towards a green life is by adopting aurora farming. In this type of farming practice, Farmers are advised to make use of sustainable farming practices to reduce water consumption and increase soil permeability. You should also avoid livestock products if you want to embrace a fully green life. It's really difficult most times to tell the difference between a naturally sourced item and synthetic products. Let's say a farmer sprays chemicals on cotton to kill a pest. Any clothing produced with this type of cotton might affect the skin of its owner, so it is important to check the composition of a product before buying it. Okay, so moving on. We need to keep our environment clean by recycling our waste. Instead of old methods of disposing of waste by burning or burying it, recycle it if you can. This next sustainable tip is the easiest to do for beginners. Embrace digital materials and reduce the number of hard copy materials that are dumped in waste sites. If something is broken, try to repair it. If you're not confident to tackle it, hire a professional. If you truly want to live sustainably, make decisions that do not only affect you, but everyone. This way, you can enjoy and sustain an eco-green lifestyle. Do you have any suggestions? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!